So here we have two printers. We have the Anycubic Photon and the EPAX X1. The EPAX X1 took a lot of design cues from the Photon and made a lot of improvements to it. And I much prefer the EPAX X1. The Photon is still, a functional and great printer. So one question that a lot of people have is, does the Photon vat fit in the EPAX X1 and vice versa? And let's see if they work. So this is the standard Photon vat. This is the X1 vat. And you'll see that the X1 vat does not even fit inside of the Photon printer. I mean, it barely squeezes in there, and then it doesn't fit within the jaws. So if you had a CNC milling machine and milled the sides off, I think you could get it to fit in there and be cross-compatible, because it fits under the screws, but it just doesn't fit side to side. It's just a tiny, ever so slightly too wide. I mean, I can almost push it in there, but it would get jammed. So that's a no-go for the EPAX X1 vat to fit in the Photon. But the Photon vat will fit inside the EPAX X1, and it will screw down, and it's in the center, and the build platform will go down into it. So you can use a Photon vat inside of a EPAX X1. Here you can see how well the EPAX build plate fits inside of the Anycubic Photon vat. So it fits in there, it works fine. So you could use Anycubic Photon vats for your EPAX X1 because they're cheaper to buy than EPAX X1 vats. And in addition, if you have a Photon, then you can just transfer them back and forth easily. The only advantage with the EPAX X1 vat is that it has a better system for changing the film. So it's a lot easier to change the film on the EPAX X1 vat than it is on the Anycubic Photon vat. So my preference would be that if the EPAX X1 vat fit all the machines. And since I do have a CNC milling machine, I could put this on the CNC and remove some of the edge, enough of it so that it fit inside of the Photon.